A new enrollment into spy school is about to start. How to disguise a walkie-talkie. How to detect you've been tracked using a mirror ring. How to make coffee cup binoculars. Watch these and other spy tricks in our new ultimate video. I've planned to throw an amazing party. Sweets are ready, cups are served, but something is still missing. Guests, of course! Where are my friends? A lonely party is a failed party. I have eaten all the sweets, and my friends are still nowhere to be seen. I'm calling my friends. It turns out that they've forgotten about my party. Okay then, I'll show them how to ignore me. It's time to transform into a spy and snoop on my forgetful guests. I'll start snooping on my friends in the park. I'm going to find out what they've given up my party for. Look, they have such a nice chat, and they've totally forgotten about me. I'm going to sneak a bug into one of my friends' pockets so that I can follow them. In this way, I will always know where they are. Paint an old electron tube black. Write GPS tracker on it. Attach 2 red sequins as eyes. Blondie finds a tracking device in her pocket. It's strange. How did it happen to get in here? The FBI must be following me. Curly Sue doesn't look worried. She likes being the center of attention. Curly Sue shows frightened Blondie her own anti-spying gadget to calm her down. It's a mirror ring. We will need a round badge and a blank ring. Break the pin off the badge and cover it with chrome spray paint. This paint can reflect objects well. Attach the blank ring to the badge when the paint is dry. We can definitely notice a spy with a ring like this. You just have to look in it like in a mirror, and you will see what's happening behind your back. But no matter how long the girls are looking in the mirror, they can see only trees. The girls decide to go to a cafe to settle their nerves, but Blondie still feels that someone is spying on them. It's either a mental disorder or a spy sneaking somewhere close by. The main task of a real spy is a good disguise, so I hide my walkie-talkie in a sandwich. Lettuce to bun. Do you copy? Over. Trace a walkie-talkie on a piece of foam rubber sheet. Make allowances and round the corners. Cut it out. Knead soft clay of a few appropriate colors and shape it into a bun on a foam rubber sheet. Attach the clay to the edge of the walkie-talkie so that it can be used. When the clay is dry, paint the bun in an appropriate shade of acrylic paint using a sponge. Put long strips of green foam rubber sheet between 2 pieces of paper and iron on top. Pull them up with your fingers to make the edges wavy to imitate lettuce. Paint to make them look natural. Cut a triangular piece of cheese out of a yellow foam rubber sheet. Draw circles on a red foam rubber sheet and paint white dots on them. Cut them out. It will be slices of salami. Cut them in half. Fasten the lettuce to the edge of the bun, gathering it into waves. Hot glue the cheese triangles on the top. Add the slices of salami. Make the top of the bun in the same way and attach it to the back of the walkie-talkie. Cover the bun with paper glue and sprinkle with sesame seeds. When the girls are distracted for a moment, a mysterious sandwich appears on their table. We haven't ordered any sandwiches. All of a sudden, it starts hissing. What is it? Is salami talking to us? It's a walkie-talkie hidden in the sandwich. We can make out some kind of a code. A mysterious voice gives us a location. We write everything down and follow the instruction. I try to figure out where the instructions will lead us, and my friend has brought 2 cups of coffee. It's not the best time for a coffee break, but Curly Sue has got something on her mind. It's not a hot drink at all. This is a spying invention. We will need plastic-filled glasses. Cut them out with a heated knife. We do not need the middle of it. Hot glue